Hello, and welcome to another update video about FET, one of the more bullish coins at the moment. As I mentioned in the last video, already outperforming many other coins. Also did not really participate in the small sell-off that we had recently across the market. Now that the coins seem to be recovering a little bit, especially with Bitcoin's move yesterday, we see FET also recover a little bit. Had a very tiny sell-off it had, but you don't even notice it here on the daily chart. So the situation is still that between November last year and February this year, we had a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and we could now be in this third wave to the upside. That might actually take us to 70. What is it? Let me just double check something. $8.70. Yeah, in a third wave, it should take us to $8.70 roughly. But obviously, there are many steps along the way that need to be done. The price needs to adhere to the parameters and so on. So it's best to focus on the short term and then to see, okay, step by step, what are the parameters that need to be holding. And these charts, altcoin charts, need to be watched like a hawk. You can't say, okay, it was supposed to be to go there, but never did it. What's going on? But yeah, that's just, welcome to crypto. So we have to watch these charts like a hawk. Every little step we have to watch and then just check the parameters if they are still being respected. At the moment they are, and here FET is sort of at the moment holding support. So obviously it turned around in this orange support area that was needed to start the rally in the third wave. And now in the very short term, we could say that within this larger degree third wave, the price is forming again, 5 waves, circle wave 1 to circle wave 5, and we're likely still in circle wave 1. In this circle wave 1, we also have 5 waves, and we're likely still in the third. That is pretty much overextended. A pullback is due. Doesn't mean it has to happen. At the moment, there is no sign that a pullback really has started. We can see that it has now reached the 200% extension. If it needs to push any higher in the third wave, then the next levels to watch are typically the 2.382 extension level and the 2.618. So we talk about 67 cents and 75. Can of course still happen in this third wave. And as long as we don't have any, let's say, any sign that a wave 4 has started, the third can of course extend. I don't have a very good view of the microstructure here, as I mentioned in the last video, so we really have to be a bit flexible there, just leave it a little bit of space. It doesn't offer the precision on the smaller time frames that we would need for really detailed wave analysis on the, let's say, on the 1 hour charts. Difficult to say. I'm thinking, okay, is this maybe a diagonal, and then this is like an A wave, some kind of a B wave, and here a C wave and an ending diagonal, then we would be getting towards the end of the third wave, but it's very hard to say. The support area is unchanged to what I communicated in the last video, so as long as we're holding the 29.9 cent level, the focus can still be on higher. Below 29.9 cents, I would start to feel increasingly uncomfortable about this wave count and would start to assume that maybe we're starting to break down, Because I'm considering already that it's a diagonal, which is why I added the 29.9 cent level to support, the golden ratio, which I normally wouldn't allow in an impulsive structure. Okay, so for an impulse, we ideally don't even want the price to get below the 50% FIB level, which I've got on the chart as well at 33.9 cents, which means in turn that ideally it doesn't even break below that level, to keep a very reliable structure. As reliable really as an altcoin can be, and they can't be very reliable. Okay, that's my update about FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.